What's up guys, your boy Ivy and I'm back with another video. So in this video I'll be taking a look at the Zoe 3 Bluetooth speaker that I just bought from Amazon at a very good price. So power it on. You can hear the
Bluetooth mode.
So first thing first, we need to power it off, and then we need to open the metal grill. After the metal grill being opened, you see we have like 8 screws to be unscrewed. With removing the screws, now I'll have to remove the mid frame from the back cover, and then you can see how the interior looks like. Kind of cool. And now we can remove the motherboard. After the motherboard, then we can plug out the battery to then and short circuit the speakers follow, and I think the speakers will need to be removed at this point just for easy access if you need to replace that, but I'll be putting mine back just for easy fixing. So let me connect the battery and see how this thing works without the speakers. And there you see it's lighting, showing that it gets. Try the speakers, and there you hear the sound, very loud. These are so powerful. And now switch it off, put back in its slot, secure it, and secure the wires, close the back, and we're done. So now we need to put back the speaker. So as that is done, the filter goes in next, then the cover, and then you're done. So at this point we can test the speaker to see if we have done a great job at replacing. So that as you can power on, and you can hear the loudness it has got there, and you're done for that. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe, and you can follow me on Twitter and WhatsApp and Facebook at i.ochan. So everything that I've used in this video will be linked down below. So peace out, see you next time.